Hey guys, this is Will with Joe's Gaming and Electronics, here with an LG Tone HBS-780 repair video. And if you're looking for the model or wanting to find it, right underneath it, here's the model number, HBS-780 in this case. And I'll be showing you how to replace the battery on your HBS-780 LG Tone earbuds. And all of the parts and the tools, if you're looking for them to make your repair successful, should be linked in the description below. And let's begin with the repair. Flip over to the back side of the earbuds, and we'll be working on the right side here, the side that does not have all of these markings, as that's where the battery is located. Grab yourself a flathead or a tool similar to this and pull out these two screw plugs. Now unscrew both Phillips head screws. Once the screws are out, let's make our way over to this back seam. Grab yourself a pry tool, thin one like this. If you give it a little bit of tension or flex here, you can see that this seam widens up. That gives you just enough room to slide this tool right into there, like so. And now you can go ahead and give it a little bit of a flick, and this part just cracks open. Let's go ahead with a little bit of force, but not too much. Open it up, and it might seem like you're breaking something, but it's all in clips. So in our case, the only thing what might happen is these wires, your speaker wires might come loose from where they're soldered on. That's not too big of a deal. We can just solder them back on. Now here's the battery. We can see the 3.7 volt, 210 milliamp hour battery. It's pretty simple. Grab your solder iron. There are two positive and negative terminals soldered to the board. Let's go ahead, and I like to grab some sort of tool, get right under it, and lift it right out of. All right, and after that you could just pull the battery out. Simple as that. And once you grab your new battery, let's say this is your new battery, let's go ahead and complete all of this in reverse. Insert your battery in. And you can see here that these points are labeled. We got a VBAT, so voltage battery, and GND for ground. Voltage positive is always red, so let's solder the red one to the VBAT solder point. There we go. Now guide the black wire to the ground. Just realized it might be better to grab tweezers for this part. All right, now it's in place. We have soldered the ground wire. Yeah, definitely use tweezers. That took me a little bit longer than expected. All right, let's close this guy back up. And don't forget, if your speaker wire came loose, it's not too big of a deal. You can grab some flux to make it, tune the wires, and solder it back into place. And just like the battery, our speaker wire points are labeled. So we got speaker minus and speaker plus. Plus is red. Solder it back on the way it should. There we go. And I'd say probably in most cases, if this is your first time doing it, this wire will come loose when you crack it open. So that's how you attach it back on. And before you go ahead and clip this cover back in, let's get this button that came free. They're all loose, put it back into place. And you can give a little bit of slack and tighten this later where the knot is at. So what you're trying to do is slide it under this lip. Let's do that. Slide it under there, as well as aligning all the buttons so that they fit like they should. If this wire is sticking out like that, just pull on it a little bit. And there you go, you just clip it shut. Just 2 screws. There you have it, guys. We replaced a battery on a JBL LG Tone HBS-780. If you guys have any questions regarding this repair, please comment in the comment section below and we'll do our best to reply to your comments. If you're looking for the part, a replacement battery, we can provide you that. The link should be in the description as well. Tools such as screwdrivers should be there as well. Thank you for watching, guys. Have a great day.